Good afternoon, everyone. Ethan here, and we will now talk about the gases in our atmosphere. So, it is a mix of gases with the core components being argon, nitrogen, and oxygen. But the dry composition of the Earth's atmosphere is usually the latter two. These main constituents, we will now discuss them in detail. So, it is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere, diluting oxygen and preventing rapid burning at the Earth's surface. The component percentage of nitrogen is 78%. Argon, on the other hand, is used in lighting, welding, and producing as well as preserving certain materials. The component percentage of argon is 0.9%, and oxygen is used by all forms of life, all living things. Oxygen is also needed for combustion, with the component percentage being 21%. These are the core constituents of the gases in the Earth's atmosphere, but these are not the sole constituents. Other gases and water also play a vital role in our atmosphere. So, the remaining 1% covers several inactive gases, with the others varying depending on the concentration. While water vapor and carbon dioxide make up a small amount in the Earth's atmosphere, both are essential in the absorption of heat.